Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to download Inzoi on your PC. If you want to download Inzoi on your PC, you need to consider some steps to follow. First, go to the official website of Steam. While the Inzoi is available on the official website of Steam, here you can see I am in the official website of Steam, where you can see the Inzoi game. Here you can see different characters in the Inzoi game. In the down below you will see coming soon is right here. This means this game is not available for PC to play as of now because the game is not officially launched on PC to play. Here you can see add to your wishlist option. Through this option, you will be wishlist this game on your Steam account. In the down below, you will see the recent events and announcements by the Inzoi developers. Here you can see. We hope you enjoy creating your own Zoe during the Inzoi Character Studio demo period from August 21 to August 26. Here you can see the demo period is started from August 21 to August 26. As previously announced, the Inzoi Character Studio demo period officially ended on August 26. So the full game is not officially launched to play on PC. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.